So I wanted to do another video about what's inside this dehumidifier. I suspect it's maybe got a rotary compressor inside, so I'm going to open it up just now. It should hopefully be quite simple. I've noticed actually that when you take the box out, sometimes the water box, you get drips coming down. It's a little bit annoying, but not really that much of a problem. So I'll just get my screwdriver. Shouldn't be too difficult to take apart, I'm hoping. Okay, so I've removed all 6 screws. The top 2 are different, they've got countersunk heads on them. The other 4 are the same, and I also took off that cap. So the back should hopefully come off now. I'll just pause just now, see if I can get the back off it. There's actually another couple of screws just down here, so I'm going to take those out. Right, it should come apart this time hopefully. Seems to be stuck on at the top. I need to get the handle off just by pulling it. There's yet another 2 screws hidden, and those are also countersunk. So I'm not bothered about voiding the warranty, as I am the warranty, and if this thing breaks I'll be able to fix it. And there's yet another screw in here. I think it may be shorter than the rest. Oh, it's not, it's just the same. Right, it's bound to come apart now. So, oh, I was right, it's got a rotary compressor in it. It's quite nice. So, let's have a quick look at how it works. I must have switched it off. I'm not sure exactly when I switched it off, maybe about half an hour ago, and the compressor is still quite hot. So let's have a look at this. Rotary compressor R134A. It's probably not terribly powerful. 4 amps with the rotor seized. It's not a massive amount, like. But up here, here's our evaporator. That's the bit that gets cold. There's the humidity sensor. And down hidden in the front will be our condenser. I'm not too sure, it's like it's got a funny stacked evaporator there. It could be a double one, because I'm pretty sure the condenser is down further inside the unit. I'm not taking it apart any further than this, because I'm not wanting to risk breaking anything. No, sorry, it's not a double stack. That is actually the condenser there. I was getting confused there, so that's evaporator, that's the condenser. And I'm not sure what this is. It appears to be some sort of defrost triggering temperature sensor. So obviously when that gets down too low, it's just going to trigger a defrost cycle. I'm just trying to see if I can find the filter dryer for the refrigerant, but I can't seem to see one. Right, so the compressor's not starting up just now, maybe because I've had it lying on its side or whatever. But, oh, there we go. It's because the humidity was too low. So that's it running now. It's still bugging me that I can't seem to see a filter dryer anywhere inside this. It must be hidden on the other side. Sometimes these compressors appear to come with a filter dryer built in, or it could be an accumulator, I'm not sure. But the way I would modify this into an air conditioner is, what I would do is simply take the condenser out and change that into the form of quite a long copper coil inside some sort of sealed container, and that would have water pumped through it, and that would go through a small, quite a large PC cooling radiator for water cooling computers, and the pipes would just go out through an open window. It probably wouldn't be a terribly powerful air conditioner, but it'd still be decent all the same. So I'll try and explain a little bit better what's happening. The evaporator is very, very cold, probably not too far off freezing, but this seems to be a discharge line here because it's quite hot, so that's our discharge coming off there, I'm sure. Obviously because it's roasting, and it's just going straight up into the top of the condenser. Well, top near enough anyway, and it's coming out of the bottom of the condenser into a capillary tube. I don't know where about that's going, but it's probably hidden in there somewhere, and it'll come back out the capillary tube into the evaporator, and the return gas from the evaporator is coming through this insulated tube here, and probably back into the compressor. I still can't seem to find the filter dryer. I'm pretty sure it's behind there somewhere, but anyway, that's what's inside this dehumidifier.